Ano? What's this?
Fly.
Fly?
Yeah, I was just Malawi.
Ano ba ginagawa niya kasi?
Hanap siya ng food.
Naghanap siya ng
gusto
food?
niya?
Bakit siya naghanap ng food?
Para sa family niya.
Ay, nawa naman pala. So, hindi natin siya hurt.
Wag!
Ayun siya, oh.
Wag. Quiet lang. Quiet.
Labo.
You're gonna fly. Oh my God! Up and away. There. It's ready there.
Kawawa naman pala siya, no? Huwag natin siya hurt, no? Huwag natin siya hurt. Huwag natin siya hurt.
Yes.
Bakit? Bakit di natin siya hurt?
Kasi, Mommy and Daddy niya away.
Sa kanya. Ano bang ginagawa niya?
Hanap ng food sa Mommy and Daddy niya.
Kawawa naman pala. Huwag natin hurt sila kasi
lang.
naghahanap pala sila ng
Mommy's big snakes. How about the three venomous? The Indian cobra, the Swaskel viper, the chain snake, the comet crate.
Ay, ano pa nagsasabi mo? Hindi ko alam yan.
It's the three venomous snake.
Turuan mo si Mami.
No. Don't laugh.
Yan, hindi ko nga alam yung mga snake na yan.
Because they are venomous.
Benemy.
Amazing.
The Indian cobra, the comet crate, the Swaskel viper, the chain snake. That's the three venomous.
Benemy.
But only I can saw the rangers found a snake eating junk food. eating junk food.
They eat junk foods. Eat ka na pala. Anong oras na? Kisa pala si Mami.